Go ahead.
Okay, this is a 1984 Zimmer. I think it was from 1979 till 1980 sometimes. There was only 1,500 of them. Back then, it was 100, let's see, it was like a 65,000 brand new in 1984. So today, if you had this made, it'd be about 130,000. This is not enamel paint job. This is acrylic lacquer. Very expensive paint job. This is not vinyl. This is genuine leather. I just put the wheels on. They do come with the car. This 3-inch white walls. It has the Continental wheels in there. The exhaust pipes. This is the Golden Spirit. And let me go on the front. So be careful you don't trip them. And it's very simple for the parts on here. You can basically get them anywhere. I just put new, very expensive struts on the front. You can see them. They still got the tags on them. KYBs. I just replaced them. I just flushed the motor about maybe 4 months ago. About 4 times we had to flush it to get it right because I'm very particular. A new sending unit, all this stuff. The car runs good. It don't overheat nothing. You can still see it's real clean. There's no rust, no dents. There might be a few hairline scratches, maybe just a hairline, but you can get them buffed out. And that's about it. It's got also the LED lights and around the windows. It's got the LED lights and the thing. It's a Recaro leather, very thick leather. It wasn't made like cheap, very thick. It's got plush carpeting, console. Cost me $650 for the radio because it's all Bluetooth. It's everything on there. And then, like I said, you got the beautiful wheels, no rust, nothing on the car. It's still like almost showroom condition. 99% that would say. And you can see the rims, no rust on the rims, nothing. It's almost showroom, almost.